timeless truth from Rumi's message. In a world divided by borders, beliefs, and ideologies, the words of Rumi shine like a beacon of light, reminding us of a deeper truth, one that transcends differences and unites us at our core. His masterpiece, Masnavi, is not just a collection of spiritual poetry, but a guide to understanding the essence of all religions. Rumi teaches that love, devotion, and self-purification are the heart of every faith. Beneath the surface, all religions share the same eternal wisdom, leading us toward the divine. The truth is one, but the paths are many. Rumi's philosophy aligns with an age-old idea. The ultimate truth is singular, but humans approach it in different ways. He writes, "The lamps are different, but the light is the same." This metaphor beautifully illustrates that religions may appear different in their practices, rituals, and languages, but they all illuminate the same divine reality. A Christian may call it God, a Muslim calls it Allah, a Hindu sees it as Brahman, and a Buddhist seeks enlightenment, but at the heart of each faith lies a universal pursuit of truth, love, and inner peace. The story of the elephant in the dark, one of Rumi's most famous parables in the Masnavi, explains how human perception of truth is limited by individual perspective. He tells the story of a group of people placed in a dark room with an elephant. Since they cannot see it, each person touches a different part of the elephant and describes what they feel. One, holding the trunk, says the elephant is like a snake. Another, touching its leg, insists it is like a tree. A third, feeling the ear, compares it to a fan. Each person believes their experience to be the absolute truth, yet they are only grasping a fragment of reality. Rumi uses this story to teach that religious differences are like these partial understandings. Faith touches upon the divine, but may describe it in a different way. Only when we move beyond rigid dogma can we see the whole truth. Beyond labels, seeking the essence of religion. Rumi did not believe in limiting himself to any one religious identity. He famously said, "I am neither Christian, nor Jew, nor Zoroastrian, nor Muslim. I am the soul of love, the soul of love." His words reflect the idea that spiritual awakening is beyond religious labels. True religion is not about mere rituals or doctrines, but about love, kindness, and self. It is about transforming one's heart and seeing divinity in all beings. The real test of faith, love, and compassion. If all religions preach unity, why do divisions persist? The answer lies in human ego and misunderstanding. Instead of seeking the core of peace and service, many focus on differences, leading to conflict. Rumi invites us to move beyond this narrow mindset. He teaches that true devotion is not found in debates over theology, but in kindness toward others, embracing unity in a divided world. In today's world, where religious and cultural divisions often lead to misunderstanding and conflict, Rumi's message is more relevant than ever. Imagine a world where people focus not on what separates them, but on what unites them. A world where we see the divine in every person, regardless of their faith. The first step toward this unity is to recognize that beneath different names and rituals, we are all seekers on the same journey. The language of love is universal. It does not require translation. As Rumi beautifully puts it, be like a river in generosity. Be like the sun in compassion. Be like the night in covering others' faults. Be like the earth in humility. If we embrace these principles, we will see that unity is not just a poetic idea, but a way of life. It is the bridge between hearts, the light that dissolves darkness, and the eternal truth that all religions strive to reveal. Final thoughts. The Masnavi is not just poetry, it is an invitation to see beyond religious labels and recognize the oneness of all existence. In the end, we are all travelers on the same path, heading toward the same divine source. The sooner we embrace this truth, the sooner we can create a world filled with understanding, peace, and love. Let us remember Rumi's wisdom and walk this journey together as one humanity. Whether one prays in a mosque, church, or temple, what truly matters is how they treat the people around them. Love and compassion are the real measures of faith.